Good afternoon, students. Now, today we are going to revision of that lesson number 1, MCQs. Okay, now in that lesson, MCQs are given true, false, fill in the blanks, verbs, phrases. Okay, now see first question number 2. Say whether the following statements about the stories are true or false. First one is Tommy and Arnika lived next door to Pepe. Yes, this is the true. Yes, they lived next door to Pepe. The monkey was wearing an orange tie. It is false. No, monkey was not wearing the orange tie. Pepe's shoes were too small. No, this is false. No, Pepe was wearing the big shoes. Tommy was very shy. No, Tommy was not shy. Pepe walked home backward. Yes, Pepe walked home backward. Pepe invited Tommy and Anika to breakfast. Yes, Pepe invited that both of them. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. Yes, we can be friends anyway, can't we? Now this line was taken from the story Pippi Longstocking. Okay. Now here some questions are given. Based on this line, we can be friends anyway, can't we? Now first question is, who said this? Who said this line from that story? Pippi said this line from that story. Who replies and what do they say? Who replies that line? Tommy replies that. What do they say? Who replies and what they say? Tommy replies saying, oh sure. Why was the speaker worried that they might not be friends? Why the speaker worried? The speaker worried about that because Pippi was lying with them. Yes, Pippi was lying. Na? Pippi ने झूठ बोला था. Yes, now here using the following words and phrases from the passage in sentences of your own. Now see here, stepped out. I stepped out for school. Now, the second one is had no idea. Priyansh had no idea about picnic. Wondering whether Sujal was wondering whether his last toy grow into saplings, grow into big trees. We gathered in hall for prayer. Okay. Now, these are the sentence and these are the words and we make the sentences in your own words. Okay. Now, you also make the other sentences also. Now see here, it must be admitted that Velu is the most brilliant among all. Now question number G is remarkable. Rani is most remarkable girl I have seen. You can be sure about honesty of Raina. Now I politely, one should behave politely with others. Okay. Now see the next question. Fill in the blanks in the following. See here we write that the past tense and the future tense also. Here the tenses, we write down the tenses. Break, broke, broken. Okay. Present, past, future. Go, gone, go, went, gone. Stream, streamed, streamed. Say, said, said. Show, showed, shown. cheat, cheated, cheated. Stream, sorry, hear, heard, heard. Spread, spread, spread. Okay. Now the next question is use. Okay. Now next is add articles. Now what are the articles? A, an, or the. Okay. Now here blanks are given and we add the articles in that blanks. Once upon a time. Once upon a time there lived a king who was a fine man. Okay. The kingdom had ruled was a very large at all. The people who lived in it were happy and prosperous. One day, a great flood of water came pouring down from the mountains and swept away the palace and most of the city. Many of the people were drowned, but the king sent his army and carried everyone to some high ground. In this way, he saved many people from death. Okay. Now, who and which? From whom we used the word who and which. Okay. Now see here. Join the following sentences with who or which. Remember that we usually use who for people and which for things. Understood? Now this is a dog. It has a strange name. Now see here, dog. Dog is an animal. Okay. And when we use which for the places, animals or things. Okay. We use it. It is used for the animals also, place also, and things also. Okay. Now this is the dog which has a strange name. This is the bird. This is a bin. The dog tipped it over. This is the bin which dog tipped it over. Okay. Now the next one is, this is our teacher. She told the boys to be quiet. Okay. Now what is that? This is the teacher who told the boys to be quiet. Why we use who? Because there is a person in that sentence. Okay. Now next one is, these are the children. They are throwing water at us. Here also children, persons. These are the children who are throwing water at us. This is the fence. They looked over it. Fence is a thing. This is the fence which looked over it. This is Mohan. He lives next door. This is Mohan who lives next door, because there is a Mohan, a person. This is a car. It comes into our house every night. Car is a thing. No, sorry. Cat. Cat is a animal. This is the cat which comes into our house every night. Okay. Now here some sentences are given, and in that sentence we find out the nouns and underline it. Okay. Once upon a time there was an old man called Ramji. man and Ramji is the noun of the persons. One day he took his dog and went to the forest. Here dog is the noun of the animal and forest is the noun of the place. Suddenly out of the bushes came a fierce tiger. Tiger is the noun of the animal. Ramji was afraid, but his dog feared no man or creature. Ramji, man is a noun of the person. Dog is the noun of the animal. Okay. It took one step towards the tiger and barked. Tiger is a noun of the animal. Ramji stood with his back against a tree. Ramji is a noun and tree is a noun of the thing. Soon the tiger ran into the forest. Tiger is the noun and forest is also a noun, the name of the place. Ramji went home and told his wife about their brave pet. Ramji and wife is name of the person and pet is the name of the animal. Well done, she said a loud voice and the dog wagged its tail. Dog is the name of the animal. Okay, now you people revise these things properly, write down properly, learn also. Okay.